Welcome to CFP. I am Sami Dabbour, a management consultant with years of experience across several regions, industries, and clients. I am excited to join you on this journey to becoming a consultant and look forward to sharing my insights with you. Throughout this program, you will explore and master all the necessary tools which represent the foundation for your career in consulting. We will examine best practice methodologies in data analysis, information presentation, slide making, data organization, and sharing. The program will also equip you with the key templates you can use and adapt to your business context. We look forward to embarking on this journey with you and helping you achieve your goals in the world of consulting. Let's get started.